Hello students, this is Sweetie and good morning to all of you. I hope you have watched my previous video. In our previous video, we have discussed about chapter 5 poem A Boy and His Dad, written by Edgar Albert Guess. Now let's see previous homework. This is your previous homework. In your previous homework, you got word meaning as a homework. Here you can see the answer. Glorious. Glorious means wonderful, excellent, fellowship, friendship, connection. Drifting means moving rapidly. Martial means soldierly or warrior. Reel means a Scottish or Irish folk dance. Clicking means sharp sound. Fancy means imagine. Cane means range of knowledge. And compare means making difference or making comparison. So you got 9 word meaning as a homework in the previous video. So this is the solution. You can write these word meanings: glorious, fellowship, drifting, martial, reel, clicking, fancy, cane and compare. Now further we will discuss the last two stanzas of poem Boy and His Dad. So here you can see these two stanzas are explained in the previous video. Now here, this is your third stanza of poem Boy and His Dad. Here first line is, which is happier? Which is happier? Man or boy? Which is happier? Man or boy? Here, I think author put this line in the poem because it shows how happy that they means both father and son. Dad and son are fishing together. They are fishing together, that they are both so gratefully and equally happy that it means we can't even tell which one of two is happier. I think this is the meaning of this line. Next, the soul of the father is steeped in joy. Here, the word steeped in means full of joy. Joy means happiness. Here, the soul of the father is steeped in joy for his findings out to his heart's delight. Delight means happy. The father is so deep in joy or happiness when he finds out his son is so delighted, so happy about the fishing day that they are doing. What they are doing? They are fishing. Next, that his son is fit for future fight. He is learning the glorious depths of him. Here, glorious means wonderful. In these lines, Dad is teaching his son to fight against survival. When the dad turns old and can't help the son anymore, it means Dad is teaching or making his son able to fight for the future. And the thoughts he thinks and his every whim, and he shall discover when night comes on how close he has grown to his little son. Here, father is debating whenever the father is more proud of the son or the son more proud of his father. They are both becoming closer to each other. Now next, this is the last stanza. The boy and his dad on a fishing trip, builders of life's companionship. Companionship means again a fellowship. Oh, I envy them as I see them there. Here, envy word is used for jealous. This word is used for the author. Author is saying that when they saw boy and his dad on a fishing trip, this scene reminds him about his father. And by seeing this, the author feels some jealous. Under the sky in the open air, the boy and dad, they are doing fishing in open air. For out of the old long ago come the summer days that I used to know, when I learned life's truths from my father's lips as I shared the joy of his fishing trips. Here, in the fourth stanza of this poem, narrator or the author is missing his own father. Son fishing trip in the summer and relating his own dad to himself. It means author is missing those days which he spent with his father during the fishing trip. So, that's all about the explanation of this poem. Now it's time to do some homework. I hope you all understood this chapter. Children, we all love our father and we all know the value of our father. So always obey your father, love your father. Now, here you can see complete poem. The boy and his dad. I'm going to recite this poem for you. A boy and his dad on a fishing trip. There is a glorious fellowship. Father and son and the open sky, and the white clouds lazily drifting by, and the laughing stream as it runs along, with the clicking reel like a martial song, and the father teaching the youngster gay how to land fish in a sportsman's way. I fancy I hear them talking there in an open boat, and the speech is fair. And the boy is learning the ways of man from the finest man in his youthful ken. Kings to the youngster cannot compare with the gentle father who's with him there. And the greatest mind of the human race not for 1 minute could take his place. Which is happier, man or boy? The soul of the father is steeped in joy. For he is finding out to his heart's delight that his son is fit for future fight. He is learning the glorious depths of him and the thoughts he thinks and his every whim. And he shall discover when night comes on how close he has grown to his little son. The boy and his dad on a fishing trip, builders of life's companionship. Oh, I envy them as I see them there, under the sky in the open air. For out of the old long ago, come the summer days that I used to know, when I learned life's truths from my father's lips, as I shared the joys of his fishing trip. Now, do some homework. Here, answer this question with the reference to the context. Context number 1 is given. And the laughing stream as it runs along with the clicking reel like a martial song. What does the laughing stream signify? Laughing stream means cool breeze running. Explain clicking reel. See, find a word in these lines which means say The same as shoulder. Do this as a homework. And one more. You have to do this one also. Answer these questions based on the stanza explanation. If you have any problem, I have given the PDF format also. You can see your homework in the PDF format. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.